how much moisture in a transformer is more. Like, okay, I know there is a 10 ppm, 6 ppm or 50 ppm of moisture in oil, but what is more? How to quantify it? When should I take a action? When should I think that my transformer is in a danger? So that is why all the international standards, they have given some guidelines. Okay, here we have jotted down CIGRE 349, IEEE 62 and IEC 60422 guidelines. Okay, in here on y-axis we have percentage of moisture in paper. The percentage of moisture in paper. All these regulations, they say that the matter of concern is the percentage of moisture in paper and not the ppm. So if you have a high amount of moisture in a paper, then you need to worry about it, otherwise not. And secondly, as we have seen in 2 slides back, that majority of the water in the transformer is in the paper itself. So that is why if you are able to quantify the volume of amount of moisture in the paper, then you will be able to quantify the amount of moisture in the whole transformer itself. Correct? So that is why here it is the moisture in paper is considered. Okay, we will see the CIGRE curve. All are mostly similar. We will see one just to take an example. CIGRE 349 curve says that from 0 to 1% of moisture in paper, the transformer is good, or it is as good as a new transformer. Okay, if the moisture content in a transformer paper is between 1 to 2%, then it is a dry transformer. If the moisture content is between 2 to 4%, then it is a wet transformer. And if it is more than 4%, it is excessively wet transformer. Okay, this is the guideline of CIGRE. All the other guidelines are following similar trend. And if we see all the three, we understand that at least one factor is common, that any moisture about 2% is dangerous for the transformer. Right? Any moisture about 2% is dangerous for the transformer, and we need to take an appropriate action. So our main focus aim will be to maintain the transformer moisture below 1%. If not possible, we will keep it below at least 2%. Okay, which is satisfying the guidelines.